A little bit of party, never kill nobody. Come, let's move our body. Come.
Today I'm at Whedon shop in Anantara. I'm here because Matteo is filming a video here, so I'm gonna film a mini behind the scenes and show you guys what's going on. Okay, so it has been a very hectic week. So last weekend I was in Bangkok to film a commercial for an old client of mine. So normally I am a commercial photographer, but I have my old client that also want me to shoot video. So that's why I am planning to start my own content slash creative agency that gonna provide photo shoot, video shoot services, as well as a branding and marketing strategy, because those are what I do best. So I've been doing marketing for about 10 years now, and what I like to do the most are the things that related to making a brand more beautiful, which is branding and content. And yes, so who is a better person to do this than me, someone who have done branding and rebranding for big brands, small brands for like many years. And also because I've been a commercial photographer since 2017, I can tell you that I really know how to shoot picture that sell and convert. Because when I was at Heidushu, I was also the main photographer on top of being the head of marketing. Because in the beginning, it was a small team, so we didn't have a photographer. And because I kept shooting with them like every single month, that I understand their product extremely well, that it doesn't make sense to hire any other photographer, because when you hire a photographer, they need to learn about the product, and they need to learn your style, your company style of photography. So that's why it makes a lot more sense that when you find a photographer that you like, or when you find a content agency that you like, to keep using them, because that's the learning curve of trying to learn about your brand is actually real. So anyway, yeah, that was last weekend, and this week I'm back in Samui. Today I'm with my friend Matteo. We are filming a TikTok video, TikTok slash IG reels for Whedon. So Matteo know how to go viral. So he had millions of followers across all his platform: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Short, and Facebook. He told me that he grew to 900,000 followers in like 5 months with viral videos. And for him, he just found a video that people like and keep making similar type of video. And before I met him, I actually have seen a lot of his content before. So it's kind of funny, the world of internet, like how people like get connected and become friends. And I love creative people because of this, because when you're a creative person and you meet another creative, you're just more likely to connect and become friends like easily, because you speak the same language. Alright, looks like he moved his location to shoot here, so I'm gonna spy on him to see what he's working on. Come with me. He actually told me not to shoot him from the back, but I really want to see what's going on. Look like he's doing a macro shot of the model. Yeah, he is doing that. Hopefully he won't be mad at me from shooting him from the back. So right now I have no idea what's going on, but it looked very interesting. I have never seen a setup like this before. But here's the master doing his work, and our beautiful model. It's always interesting to see how other people work, because everyone had their own way of filming using equipment. Because that's one of the things I like the most about photography and videography. You don't have to be super technical as long as you're able to get the shot that you want. That's it. because it's still an art. So there's no like correct way to do it. Whatever you do it, as long as the result look good, it's good. Okay, so today is Saturday. I was at the gym earlier and now I made it to Health Lab, which is this sauna, steam room, ice bath place that's really popular in Samui. So there are maybe like 3-4 places that offer ice bath and sauna in Samui, but this seemed to be the most popular one among the foreigner. And I asked people who come here if they like, why do they like it here more, and they told me that it's because the ice here it's very cold, versus at the other places it's not as cold, and also they say it right here is also like cleaner than other places. So I like ice bath and sauna, I mean steam room. I don't really care for sauna, to be honest, so I'm here to try it out, and then I'll let you know how it is. Okay, I did one round of cold plunge and I'm hungry because I just came back from the gym and I ordered hummus, and even though it doesn't look like a real hummus, still tastes pretty good, to be honest. So I'm happy I ordered it, and I'm gonna enjoy this before going into the steam room and try the ice bath. So finally I have done the ice bath and it was extremely cold, especially on a rainy day like this, but I'm glad I did it. It felt surreal. It brought me back memory actually, because the last time I did it, I was in Bali. I was at Power and Revive, and that was a really good time. I actually miss Bali a lot and hopefully I can go back soon. But here at Health Lab, I've seen 3 people with a camera already, so it's a pretty content-friendly place. And I mean, this place is beautiful, so can you blame us for wanting to film here? I don't think so. So on Sunday, my friend and I went to the Overlap Stone to film an IG reel to promote the place. These are like 2 rock formations. They're stacked and they look so majestic. The landscape here is just so beautiful, and this is in Lamai. After that, we went to another ice bath and sauna place in Lamai called Luma. This place, I really love the vibe because it's like a Bali-style type of place, and I love Bali-style architecture. So they also have a pool, which Health Lab did not have. So I'm gonna have to come back and check it out. They also have restaurant here. Here's again the pool and sunbed. I think I'm gonna come here and then read. And they also have the bar area and massage bed as well. So you can stay here all day actually. Hi guys! So it's me again. This is the 3rd week we see each other. Last weekend I was in Bangkok to shoot a commercial for an old client of mine, and this week I'm back in Samui, and this weekend I am gonna be working on something as well, so no days off here. Just kidding. Like honestly, I want some days off, but I feel like I can't really relax until I get the things I need to get done. And once that's done, my plan is to go over to Koh Samui and do the open water scuba diving course, and also complete my free diving course as well. So I have started a free diving course with an instructor in Phuket in January, and I didn't complete wave 1 yet because there were some certain requirement that I have to do in order to pass the test. But what I have done would have been enough for me to pass AIDA. So I'm gonna go back to Koh Tao this time because they don't have Malkonov there on Koh Tao. I'm just gonna learn AIDA, and I'm gonna try to pass level 2 and 3 when I'm there. And because for some reason, like scuba diving in Thailand is more expensive than free diving, just because there's a lot more people doing scuba diving, so they're able to arrange a trip more often. So free diving isn't that cheap because there aren't many people who are doing it here yet. So I feel like I need to learn both so that if there's an opportunity to do free diving, then of course I choose free diving. But then if it's cheaper to do scuba diving, then I'll do scuba diving.